Hey, welcome to my garden. This is going to be very quick because in about 10 minutes I have to leave and pick up my son. I have not recorded, and I should have pre-recorded some videos, but I had not because I forgot. And I was so excited because today is April 22nd, and about a month ago I had just gotten back on March 22nd. I had gotten back from my first mission trip to Panama. I enjoyed it. I am looking forward to doing it again. and I will share more about that in another video. And show you what's in my dig box. I just got it. The mail lady just dropped it off. I have a very large dog, and his name is Apollo, and he was hanging out on the front porch, and the mail lady was like, I have a package for you. I was like, I'll come and get it. So I'm just now opening the box. So we are going to be just as surprised together. If you've seen older videos from my old house, somebody's cutting the grass outside. I'm fine with that. But if you've seen my older videos, I think you've seen me do unboxing. So every month it has a tool, it has a personal, like a gardener's treat. So the tool of the month, seeds, gardener's treat, and growing tips. So let's just see. I'm not even going to read everything on this card as of yet. I will do that. Oh, okay. So this month's gardener's treat is a hand-rolled pure beeswax candle. This is the box it came in. Oh, this is cute. Everything, the box is compostable. I usually like this shredded paper stuff. I'm going to mulch. I use it as mulch. This little string is cute. We're going to roll through this. Oh, more compost is in here. This is the packaging. AK London Lifestyle. 100% beeswax, 100% cotton wick, hand rolled in Greensboro, North Carolina. This is a 3-ounce candle. Oh, wow. Well, this is cute. This is the candle. It's like a little beehive. Here's the wick. Very nice. Ooh, bee cups. Never mind. I was going to go somewhere with bee cups, but I'm not. For thirsty pollinators. Let's see if we can get that. Bee cups. Bee cups are watering stations for thirsty pollinators. And I just seen something on TikTok I was going to make to give pollinators something to drink. Place these porcelain cups in your garden to collect a teaspoon of water for bees and butterflies. Each unique bee cup is handmade in small batches from colored porcelain. The bee cups are fired to over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, so they are light and safe and will not fade. Never fade. They will not leach chemicals into the soil and contain 0 plastics. Here's the website, if you can see that. This is so cute. Look at that. Can we get it in good? I don't know. They look like little, I'll take a picture of it later. Little golf tees. That's what they look like. This is cute. I want one. I want to be a bee cup. Too late. Okay. Labels. And, ooh, what are these? Dates? These, we have 5 of, what are these? Oh, the tool of the month. So every subscription box, you get a tool of the month. So these are metal plant supports. So the seeds are, this is Memulus mix. Visually interesting mix of colors. Let's see. Memulus mix is also called monkey flower because the markings and the petals resemble a smiling monkey. Pon aster. Light in the center, outer rings vary of varying colors. Long-lasting bicolored tufted button blooms makes a great cut flower. Bonus, profuse flowering without deadheading. Start indoors or winter sow. We have mallow flower. Peony aster, Duchess pink. Stunning double petal scented blooms. Expect tall showy flowers. Start indoors or winter sow. Excellent cut flower. Transplant in full sun or part shade. And chrysanthemum. Polar star white with yellow halo surrounding a dark center. Start indoors or winter sow. I don't want to winter sow. I want to sow it now. So those are my flowers. I will try to insert pictures. I have to go right now to pick up my son, my younger son, And I want to thank you for watching. Cam, say hi.
Hey.
He told me that his teacher has, what does your teacher have, Cameron?
Tobacco.
Tobacco. They're growing tobacco in their classroom. And what else does your teacher have that I want?
Cows.
Cows. I want cows.
A big farm.
A big farm. So I'm going to find where his teacher lives. And
That's kind of weird.
It's not weird,
That
buddy.
sounds kind of weird. I'm going to find out where his teacher lives.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
seems kinda weird.
I can see how you may feel it sounds weird, but you know, it's out of, it's all in the love of gardening. Well, I thank you guys. See you later. And I will tell you about my mission trip next time.
What's the mission trip?
Well, I went to Panama. Oh. All right. Later.